welcome to your 5-minute abs and booty circuit. So let's get started. The first exercise really target tones through the abdominals and pull in those abs. It also works the front of the tummy and the sides of the tummy. But make sure you're standing up nice and tall. Now place your hands behind your head and lengthen through the spine. Feel your lift in the abdominals. Zip up those abs. Engage your abdominals by tightening them up. Feel like you're wrapping those abs all around. That's it. Belly button in, pull up and in. That's it. Now we're going to add a little twist. This is how you're going to get the waistline involved, those oblique muscles. They work and trim the sides of the waistline. That's it. Just twist. Pull the belly button towards your spine. You got this. Come on. Twist. 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. And now keep your arms right up there. We're going to lift the leg and pull it down. Lift and touch. That's it. Now really target training the sides of the waistline. That's it. But always think good posture. And the leg you're standing on is really strong too. So this is working on your balance for your core muscles. 2 more. That's it. Last one. Beautiful. Let's switch to this side. Pull your abs up and in and just do a nice crunch. It's like a side crunch. So it's all standing, easy on the back. You got this. Great. And also it's so great if you pull in your tummy. Really tighten it up. Great. Almost brace your abs. That's it. 2 more. Like a girdle. Pull it in. Last one. Oh, okay. Let's work that booty. We're going to take it down and lift up. Take it down and squeeze and tighten up that tushy. Look great from behind. Always make sure you're thinking about quality over quantity. Is your back straight? Good. Pull the abs up and in. Core muscles are strong. And you're target toning right back here for that booty. We got 1 more. Lift and hold. Okay. Switch sides. Take it down and squeeze. You got this. Make sure when you're doing this, you're lifting your chest, thinking about good technique, good alignment. You got it. Really squeeze right here. If you don't squeeze it, no one else will. Okay, you're working that booty. We got 2 more, and then try to hold it. Last one. Okay, hold it if you can. Squeeze, 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 tight, tight, tight. Great. Okay, let's work side to side now. Sitting way back in your heels. That's it, working your back of your thighs and your booty. You can do this. Just shift your weight side to side, really working on this lower half right here. Now with your arms straight out, lengthen through the spine. So you're getting a little bit of waistline and a little bit of booty. Now we're gonna twist to the side and add the waistline workout. You can do this, I love it. Take your time, make sure you feel it through the waistline. Exhale, pull the belly button up and in, and shift your weight side to side. Great for that booty. We've got 2 more. Last one. Okay, standing up really tall, nice and tall. We're gonna just do a mini squat right now. So feet are a little wider than your hips, and you're gonna sit down a little bit and squeeze it back up. Just sit down and up. And add your arms, reach, and as you come up, really tighten up through the buttocks. Each cheek, squeeze it. That's it, great. Take your time, that's good. Working those muscles. Working your muscles, keep it toned and firm. Nothing will droop or sag. Your muscles are nice and strong. We only have 2 more, you can do it. Last one, beautiful. Hold it there, now hold it. Isometric hold, you can do it. Hold it, hold it. Good, and slowly come back up. That's it. Now I want you to do a circle all the way through your hips for the waistline and the booty. But as you squeeze all the way around, tighten your abs. Good, and reverse the circle. Squeeze through the buttocks. That's it, tighten it all up. Good. Last one. Okay, now we go side to side. Reach out. Really reach. Can you reach a little further? You can do it. Great for the waistline. Oblique muscles. 2 more. Last one. Okay, Kate, take a deep breath in and out. Beautiful. Stretch a little out through the buttocks and to the other side. Stretch. And there you have a beautiful 5-minute routine for your abs and your booty. You got it. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com, sign up for your free trial now.